Payroll and money management is the administrative task of compensating employees and service providers for services rendered. It also provides a financial record of your salary, your company's and your employees' gross earnings, payroll deductions and net pay, as well as the employer's related payroll tax liability. As you pay yourself and your staff regularly, setting up automated payroll and money management systems will save you time and money. These systems also create records about these payments, which you will need for tax reporting time. Payroll management encompasses the entire process of calculating employee hours, paying employees, withholding taxes, and maintaining the financial documentation for your business. From handling sensitive employee information to calculating taxes and depositing money into the bank accounts of your employees, payroll management can be complicated and fraught with liabilities. It's important to understand the right way to manage your payroll so you're compliant legally. If you can't run payroll, then you can't pay employees. Without employees, your business cannot function. Employees want to be paid on time, and if you can't manage payroll efficiently, then you could lose important members of your team and even have legal difficulties. Here are the most important reasons that you need to manage payroll properly for your business. Legal requirements. Filing payroll taxes carries its own unique set of rules and regulations from both the federal and state levels. If you don't file on time, you could be subject to hefty fines or penalties. If you make a mistake with an employee's pay and don't fix it, again you are liable. It's vitally important to stay as compliant as possible. Employee retention. Superstar members of your team probably aren't going to stick around if you can't pay them correctly or on time. Strong employees can find work elsewhere, so it's important to retain your team and make sure their pay is always done correctly and on time. Employee performance. Beyond just keeping your employees, you want them to perform and do a good job. Even if you can retain them, failing to pay them on time or correctly can cause their performance to slip as they may become disinterested or look for new work. Business finances. Failing to manage payroll properly can impact your finances negatively. Not only could you get fined, costing you money, but you could end up thinking you have more in your bank account than you do, leading to bank fees or bounced checks. Payroll management is one of the most important administrative functions of your entire organization. If done correctly, it will largely go unnoticed, but if done incorrectly, it can make it impossible to stay in business.